Hi guys, this is Srinivas Rajnikant. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to create free business email ID. Okay, let's start the video. See guys, before starting the video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe and like the video if it is useful to you. Okay, let's jump into the video. See guys, today I am going to show you how to create free business email. Okay, so last time I made a video on how to create free business email, so that is the previous. So currently it's not working, that website is not working. So latest 2026, in 2026, how we need to create a free business email ID. Okay, see guys, just open the website inboxes.com. Okay, so this is the website where you can create free business email ID. So what you have to do, just to get my first inbox. Okay, now here you need to enter any name. So I am giving like Meridian Connects. Okay, so you can choose any website here. Okay, so you can choose any domain here. I am choosing wormto.com and add inbox. Okay, see guys, successfully now I created a free business email ID. Okay, this email ID you can use wherever you want, like if you want to log in Tricentis Tosca. Okay, you can use this email ID. Okay, it's successfully working, I already tested. Okay, see, this is the inbox. So whatever the verification codes, so everything you will get here. Okay, simply you need to open inboxes.com, right? I'm closing it now. Just I am opening inboxes.com. Again you will see directly, you will see your mail here, right? So if you want to delete, you can also delete inbox. Okay, so that's all guys, that's all about this video. See guys, that's all about this video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.